let's talk about laundry. Laundry is the dirty clothes in our homes. We wash our laundry often. Dirty clothes usually go into a laundry basket. Most Japanese homes have a washing machine. First, you carefully sort the clothes by color. Bright white clothes and dark clothes wash separately. You place the sorted clothes inside the machine. Next, you add a small amount of detergent. You choose the right washing cycle for the clothes. The machine slowly fills with warm, soapy water. It gently washes every piece of clothing. Then the machine spins the clothes very fast. Fast spinning removes most of the extra water. In Japan, many people dry their laundry outside. They hang the wet clothes on a pole outside. Small clothespins hold the clothes firmly in place. A sunny, breezy balcony dries clothes very quickly. A rainy day makes the drying process slow. Some busy families use an electric dryer instead. People sometimes wash delicate sweaters by hand. Some people visit a laundromat nearby. Freshly dried clothes feel soft and warm. Clean laundry always smells fresh. You fold each piece of clean clothing carefully. Some wrinkled shirts need to be ironed. The clean, folded clothes are finally ready to wear.